de classe, quatrième année, unité 6, page 52 et de cahier d'activité, page 72-73. We worked again from the same unit, unité 6, but this time with a new lesson 5. Leçon 5, the title of the lesson, il est titulé par title of the lesson, qu'allez-vous faire à la fête de l'école? What you will do in the party of the school. Qu'allez-vous faire à la fête de l'école? So we'll discover today what we can do in the future in the party of the school. At the beginning, so when I talk about the future, so I will use verb to go, verb aller, and the present after that verb in infinitive, like we take it before. Je vais faire du sport, je vais faire de la musique, or what we can do it, what we will do it in the vacation or in weekend. This time we talk about the party. So a party we can use also some activities we talk about before in the future, like nous allons faire de la musique, nous allons faire de sport. But here we use nous because we talk about the students. They will do what you, the students and the teachers, you represent in the or do in the party of the school. So here we'll use only verbs and new verbs. We took it before, some verbs. So we start with nous allons. Nous allons is meaning we will. We will what? Nous allons at the beginning, nous allons inviter nos parents. We invite our parents. Inviter, E-N-I-N together. I could say it un, like number one in French. Inviter nos parents. I can change parents by another any other person, like nous allons inviter nos amis, nous allons nous inviter nos copains, or any other name. So invite someone or our parents. So in this party also, nous allons manger de la cuisine française. We'll eat from the meals French, like crepe, for example. Nous allons manger de la, I can change it by crêpe, for example. Nous allons manger de la crêpe. Nous allons manger des gâteaux, for example. Nous allons offrir represent for the persons who will come, represent for them, or like drinks, for example, is boisson. I can change boisson by another something will offer for them or represent for them, like gâteau, like I just tell you now. Nous allons offrir meaning represent for the persons who come something to eat, to drink, like that. Also, nous allons faire as activities. So we talk about what we can eat and what we can drink there. Nous allons faire, nous allons organiser. Organiser, will organize un concours sportif. Concours is meaning competition. Sportif is meaning something is from sport. I can say nous allons faire de sport, no problem. Or nous allons organize competition. Here sportif, like that. Nous allons donner un concert. Donner un concert is meaning I make something, a party with the music, or I can say nous allons faire de la musique, like we teach you before in the second quarter. Here nous allons organiser un concours sportif, or I can say nous allons faire de sport. We will do sport, but here don't have competition. Nous allons donner un concert, or nous allons faire de la musique, or nous allons faire de piano. I can change it by any instrument we teach you before. Nous allons donner un concert. Okay? Nous allons organiser un concours sportif. Nous allons donner un concert. Here also we have other activities you can do it. Nous allons faire de théâtre. Théâtre meaning is it represents something to in the theater. like that. So, nous allons faire de théâtre. Nous allons regarder un film. It's easy word. We take it before. Regarder la TV. Here, regarder un film. So we talked about now the activities. We do it during this party. Starting, nous allons inviter nos parents. Nous allons manger de la cuisine française. Nous allons offrir des poissons. Nous allons organiser, nous allons faire de sport, organiser un concours sportif. Nous allons faire de la musique ou nous allons donner un concert. Nous allons faire de théâtre. Nous allons regarder un film. Voilà. Leçon
5. Qu'allez-vous faire à la fête de l'école?
Activité 2. Écoute et montre.
Nous allons chanter nos chansons préférées. On donne un petit concert. Nous allons inviter nos parents à un concours de pétanque. C'est un sport français rigolo. Nous allons jouer les petits musiciens. Les parents adorent le théâtre. Nous allons regarder un film en français. C'est super, le cinéma. Nous allons manger de la cuisine française. Des crêpes, des gâteaux.
Like I just tell you now, from the page 53, number 2, exercise number 2, I choose this one to show you the practice what we teach you in this lesson. In this page, we try to read, the students will listen what they say now, it's written now with you, and they will show me which one the correct photo to talk about. For example, the first one, nous allons chanter nos chansons préférées. We'll sing a song, our song, favorite song. On donne un petit concert. So we'll talk about this one. Nous allons inviter nos parents à un concours de pétanque. C'est un sport français rigolo. So we'll invite our parents to do to participate in the competition de pétanque, like talk about this one. So nous allons jouer les petits musiciens. On va faire de théâtre. Mes parents adorent le théâtre, donc talk about this one. After that, nous allons regarder un film en français. We'll see watch film French. C'est super de cinéma, donc talk about this one. Nous allons manger de la cuisine française, des crêpes, des gâteaux, donc il parle de this one. So after that, I choose also from the workbook, page 72, page 72. This exercise to show you is the same idea, talk about the party in the school, fête la fête de l'école, or fête la fête à l'école, do the party in the school. And here the name of the school and some information about the party, samedi 22 juin, 14 à 14h, salle de sport de l'école. So first, samedi 22 juin, donc il parle de quoi? Il parle, c'est quand, when the party happened, and which time. Salle de sport de l'école, donc il parle où exactement, where they will do it. After that, quand the activities is to que, so if I ask you about que, it means what you will do there. So concert, linguistique, entracte cuisine. Entracte means like bows et boissons françaises. In this pose we will represent something for them. Concours de pétanque and the competition, what you will do. Parents, venez nombreux. Parents, parents, venez nombreux. Come, we wait you, like that. Nombreux is meaning many, like that. So I repeat it again. Faites la fête à l'école. After école Jacques, after the name of the school. Samedi 22 juin, 14h, salle de sport de l'école, concert linguistique, entracte cuisine et poisson française, concours des pétanques, parents, venez nombreux. So we'll try it now again, focus about this one again. So the same one, I give you but with question. So I told you quand meaning when, où meaning where, que meaning what. First, the first one, comment s'appelle l'école? So from the text I can bring the name of the school on the panel. So l'école s'appelle Jacques Charpentreau. Jacques Charpentreau. Numéro 2. Quand les élèves vont-ils faire la fête? Quand? Time. Talk about time. When? Ils vont faire la fête le samedi 22 juin à 14h. Ils vont faire la fête le samedi 22 juin à 14h. Où vont-ils faire la fête? Ils talk about where exactly. Ils vont faire la fête where? À la salle de sport de l'école. Forget L, please do it. After that, quatrième question. Que vont-ils faire? What they will do? Ils vont, they will do many things. So start with, ils vont, what? Donner un concert de linguistique. Ils vont offrir, what? Des boissons françaises. Ils vont organiser, what? Un concours sportif or un concours de pétanque, the name of this competition. So what we have it, and now the dictation to talk about also the same lesson. Samedi prochain, the next week, samedi prochain, l'école va organiser, the school will organize une fête, a party. Nous allons inviter nos parents, we'll invite our parents, et nous allons faire de théâtre, and we will represent for them something in the theater. So this all the students, à la prochaine fois et merci beaucoup.